When it comes to activities, it is mental activity and physical activity. Mental activity by meditation, prayers. You should learn how to surrender before God. Correct. Because we are not the boss.
Correct.
Okay? There is someone who is taking care of every one of us.
Absolutely.
He is giving us food. He is giving us light. He is taking care of us. Surrender to Him. Then your ego suppression helps us a lot in enjoying life. Physical activity by workout, gym, swim, walk, jog, whatever is good for you. Never copy the other person. Correct. He is doing jogging, it may not suit you. Absolutely. But after the age of 45, 50, you are not supposed to jog. You are going to damage your joint, then Correct. You will not be able to walk even. Correct. Just see your limits. Do everything in your limits. Once you understand your limits and go on working out physically and mentally, you live a happy and healthy life.